So for this assignment, what you will be doing is creating your name in Paint and using all of the tools and colors that we discussed. So the first thing you need to do is go up to the A. A usually stands for text in pretty much any program. If you click, hold, and drag, you will make yourself a big box. Now here is where you will find your font and your size. So I would go ahead and take and make the size maybe 200 to start out with. And then I need you to put in your first name. If you want to use your nickname, as long as it's school appropriate, that's fine. But I would try to make it as big as you can. So if I highlight this by click, holding, and dragging, if I click on this down arrow, I can find like a really big fat font. So depends on if you want to have little feet on it, which I think makes it harder. So we're going to go with no. Let's see if I go to this one, better. So you can pick whichever one you want. Just know that you have to make sure that you're going to draw on them. So I'm going to go ahead and make this 300. Okay, and then I can click, hold, and drag. All right. So we'll do something easy first. I'm not going to do everything with you, but basically if you use the paint bucket, and we're going to change it to purple, which is my favorite color. If I click there, I can do that. And then I can go to my paintbrush and I can make it really big. And I can, I don't want to do that. Let's try a different color and I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm going to make it a pencil. How's that? So now I can take, and now I can make a different color on the inside. And then I will make a circle. And we'll go ahead and change the colors. So basically what you're going to do at the end, it's going to look something like this. There's lines and shapes and colors and spray paint. There's also, whoops, wrong one. Nope. Hold on. We do have another one. There we go. So you can take your background and you can break it up, but I want a little bit of everything. So you should have the pencil tool, the fill tool. You've already used the text tool. You should use some of the brushes. You should use the shapes. You should use outline and fill. So make sure you use some that are pencil and some that are crayon, etc. And then you can change the colors. When you're done, you need to save it in your Q1 folder and turn it in on Schoology. If you have any problems or questions, ask me.